have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. What's in the package? Welcome to this Mailbox Minute Monday. It is actually not something I found in the mail this time, but it's total soapy inspiration and soap supplies. So it kind of falls in the same category. From time to time, I'll find things locally and share them with you, just like when I go to Michael's. But it is going to be quick and sweet. So I found these. Aren't they adorable? At the Bulk Barn. If you have a Bulk Barn, and they're put out by the Bulk Barn. You see that? How cool is that? And their little poop candy corn emojis. And then they had little poops that I could do like emojis and candy corn. So guess what we're doing this week? There's your soapy inspiration, and you're going to get to see me make it come Friday. Woo, 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 woo. I'm so excited. If you enjoyed this little soapy supplies second, please leave us a thumbs up and come on back to my soapy kitchen anytime. Bye for now.